Welcome my English GK channel. Who among the following established Ramakrishna Mission? The correct answer is option A. Swami Vivekananda. When did India become a sovereign democratic republic? The correct answer is option D. 1950. Which one of the following territories was not affected by the revolt of 1857? The correct answer is option B. Chittor. The Second Anglo-Sikh War took place in which year? The correct answer is option C. 1848 to 1849. Who of the following Governor General of India is known as the Great Annexionist? The correct answer is option B. Lord Dalhousie. June 3 plan is associated with which of the following Viceroys of India? The correct answer is option D. Lord Mountbatten. Which of the following founded the Provincial Kingdom of Oudh? The correct answer is option A. Sadat Khan Burhanul Mulk. The Kisa Khwani massacre happened in which of this city in 1930? The correct answer is option B. Peshawar. Which of the following was Clement Attlee's Quit India deadline? The correct answer is option C. June 1948. Pankolam is a folk dance of which state?
To get more such important GK videos, subscribe this channel.
The correct answer is option B. Manipur. Kesri, the newspaper was started by. The correct answer is option A. B.G. Tilak. What was the capital of French colony in India? The correct answer is option B. Puducherry. What was the name of the newspaper edited by Gandhiji till 1933? The correct answer is option D. Young India. In which year Akbar had centralized the control and functioning of various mints? The correct answer is option A. 1570. Which among the following was not an independent kingdom? The correct answer is option D. Qutub Shahi of Golconda. The first British presidency in India was established at. The correct answer is option A. Surat. Who among the following Sikh Guru initiated the Khalsa? The correct answer is option B. Guru Gobind Singh. Which dynasty started bull horseman type of coins? The correct answer is option A. Shahi dynasty. Who was the first Turk to invade India? The correct answer is option C. Muhammad of Ghazni. Chand Bibi was the daughter of which of the following? The correct answer is option A. Hussain Nizam Shah. Which of the following established the Qutub Shahi lineage in 1518 CE? The correct answer is option A. Queen Qutub ul Mulk. The Chishti order took firm root in the Deccan because of which of the following saint? The correct answer is option B. Geshudaraj. Which of the following was the first ruler to introduce silver rupiah? The correct answer is option A. Sher Shah Suri. Which of the following attacked Rani Durgavati of Gondwana? The correct answer is option B. Asaf Khan. Tansen accepted Islam at the hand of which of the following great Sufi saint? The correct answer is option D, Muhammad Ghush. Who captured the island of Sondip and Chittagong? Correct answer is option A, Soista Khan. Which of the following was the first puppet ruler in Mughal India? The correct answer is option C, Jahandar Shah. Who succeeded Jahandar Shah? The correct answer is option A, Farrukhsiyar. Who was the immediate successor of Shivaji? The correct answer is option B, Sambhaji. Who was the first Sultan to set up a permanent standing army of Delhi Sultanate? The correct answer is option A, Alauddin Khilji. Thank you for watching this video.